To find Google Sheets, if you're in your Gmail, you can go to the waffle here and go to Sheets. That will open up the everything you have saved as a sheet or that's shared with you as a sheet. You can also go to the waffle and go to Drive, and then you can, this is where all of your files are stored. You can go New Sheet here, or if you want it in a certain folder, you can go into that folder and then New, so it'll automatically start in that folder. They also have created a shortcut, so if you go to a new tab when you're in Chrome and type in sheets.new, then it will make a new sheet. If it is a sheet that you do not want anymore, I would suggest going from File, move to Trash, otherwise your drive can get very full. This way it says it's in the trash, I close my tab, I don't have to try and hunt for it later. I give it a name, and then you have your sheet. If I want this sheet shared with someone else, on the top right, there's a share button. You enter the person's name and they will populate. You can choose their permissions. If I want it to be completely collaborative where we're both working on the sheet, I will keep it as editor. That way they can make changes. If it's for a team or it's for a building wide or it's just a list you want people to access, you can give them viewing privileges so they can see the list, but then they can't make the changes. They can make their own copy, but they can't make changes. I'm going to go ahead and make this collaborative, so I will keep it as an editor. If I keep this notification checked, they will get an email. See the list for summer tasks. Please add what needs to be done. So they will get an email and a link saying this was shared with you, so they are notified that they have it shared with them. Otherwise, it can get lost in the shared drive, and then they won't know that these things are available to them. So I will send it. They will have the link. This changed from a lock to the people, so I know that it was shared, and I can always go back and change permissions or remove or delete the people off, things like that. That is how to create a sheet and how you can share your sheet with other people.